sounds
All right,
good.
first thing first, all of our pans are hot. We have our water boiling here.
Woo.
So we'll just put this down here. We'll throw a pasta in, 'cause this is going to take the longest. So I have water boiling. We'll throw some nice kosher salt in there. So we have that in there. We have our bow tie pasta. We're just going to put that right in the water quick. Strainer?
Sure. Put this back here for the sink so you can strain it right in here.
Perfect. So the pasta seems to be perfectly done. We're going to make the sauce for the lobster mac and cheese. We're going to take some heavy cream here. We're going to put it right here in this saute pan.
Wow, that's nice, for the macaroni and cheese, right?
That is nice and hot. Yep. And then we have some smoked Gouda here, Parmesan, Fontina. We're going to throw this right in here as well.
You could use a mixture of any cheeses that melt well.
Anything, yeah.
Taleggio, too, if you wanted.
Anything you want to put in works. You really want to get like a nice creamy, thick sauce, consistency-wise. So here we're just going to keep stirring this. It's nice and thick.
More cheese.
More cheese, yep. So we're going to thicken that up. We want a nice
I love it.
cheesy mixture here.
And our pasta's over here. Do you need that, Chef?
Yeah, let's grab the pasta. Throw it right in that sauce.
All right. I'll let you do that.
Right. I'm just going to take this pasta here. Get it right in there.
The bow tie should hold the cream pretty well. Huh?
Yeah, I like to use bow ties rather than your traditional macaroni that you use in mac and cheese. It just gives a little bit more of a bite. It's a little unexpected and something different, you know. Everybody uses the same pasta for the mac and cheese. We can do something a little different. I'm just going to toss this up like this. Okay, so lobster.
Lobster.
Got a little ahead of myself. So we're going to put the lobster in here and then we're going to throw it right in there and finish this off in the oven.
Okay.
Cut them right in half.
Lobster.
Nice lobster. Just going to pull that right out of the shell. We're going to take this meat here.
You do that with such ease.
Let's grab the bowl and throw that in that casserole bowl we're going to be using.
Okay.
Beautiful lobster meat.
That smells really good, Chef. This cheese,
And the lobster, we're just going to
Gouda.
cut it up into pieces. Take some oil. So we got some maitre d' butter here. This has like some herbs in it. And we're going to throw this lobster meat right in there.
Woo! Lobster and butter. Good combination, right?
Lobster, butter, mac and cheese, truffle oil. Couldn't ask for any more. Look at that, smell that lobster meat. Smells good? Nice.
Smells incredible.
Put some salt in here. Crack a little pepper. That up. I'm just gonna put just a little touch of cream since we didn't get, usually what I do is I'll mix it with all that, mix it all up, nice. But like I said, I got a little ahead of myself, so we're just gonna take a shortcut. Not a shortcut, but just a different way of doing it.
No, it's not a shortcut.
In the end, it's gonna look nicer.
You're a chef, you're in the kitchen. Sometimes you just gotta do things the way you gotta do them.
They work out, that's right. You know, when you're at home cooking and, you know, you don't know if something's right, you know, always just, take a spoon and taste it.
And give it a taste.
Give it a taste.
There you go.
If it's not right, we add some more salt, pepper, whatever it needs. So we'll take this, it's nice and cooked. We're gonna throw it right on top of the middle here.
That looks incredible. Whoops, missed a piece.
There we go.
Oh, you didn't see that.
How was it? Good?
It's so good.
All right, then to finish this off, look at all that nice lobster meat.
Wow.
I got some Cajun
You're not
bread.
stingy with the lobster meat in your mac and cheese.
Not
I like
today,
that.
not today.
Not
So I have some Cajun breadcrumbs. So it's just
Cajun.
breadcrumb with some Cajun seasoning, and it's just going to give it a little bit of a...
Do you add it yourself? You don't get it like that, do you?
No, we add it ourselves.
Nice.
We take our breadcrumbs and put Cajun. So it's nice, crisp, finished
And he'll go into
dish.
the oven?
And then we're going to take some Parmesan cheese.
A little more cheese for
yeah.
good measure.
There we go. Put that
Nice.
right in the oven.
All right.
I'll do that for you.
Okay. So,
Okay.
Chef, how long does that cook for, and what temperature do you put that
We're
on?
gonna leave it on 500, about 4 or 5 minutes, just to get that top nice and crust,
Okay.
that nice crust and golden
Yeah, because
brown.
you're not really cooking anything at this point.
It's
You're just
already
getting
done.
it browned.
Yes, it's already done. So lobster mac and cheese is finished. Gonna pull this right out.
How's it look?
Beautiful, look at that.
Wow, just perfect.
And last thing to finish that off, the best part about this whole experience today
Oh, here we
is
go.
truffle oil.
Black or white?
White. So we're just gonna take some truffle oil and just go around the edges first, up the middle,
You've got a method. This
and
is
get
great.
through them right there.
It's like you wrapped a
Done.
present.
That's awesome. That is awesome.
It smells so great.